At the rally, President Trump also briefly mentioned his search for the nation's next Supreme Court justice. His pick could end up shifting the court's ideological tilt for years to come. The starting point was a short list with the names of 25 potential nominees. But most news reports of late have focused on these three. 53-year-old Brett Kavanaugh, a federal appeals court judge in Washington. 51-year-old Raymond Kethledge from the appeals court based in Cincinnati. And 46-year-old Amy Coney Barrett from the appeals court in Chicago. Some conservatives have taken sides, like in these opinion columns, lining up behind their favorite finalists. Some social conservatives, in boosting Barrett, have raised doubts about Kavanaugh's commitment to their cause, spurring others to defend Kavanaugh's conservative judicial record.
I have dedicated my career to public service.
Kavanaugh's lengthy Washington resume includes a stint working in President George W. Bush's White House. Mr. Bush nominated Kavanaugh to his current judgeship more than a decade ago. And it was Justice Kennedy, a former boss of Kavanaugh's, who did the swearing in. Kennedy clerk, Bush nominee, and experienced judge, those are all labels that fit Kethledge as well. But most of his legal career has been in Michigan and at the appeals court in Ohio. Barrett clerked for a different justice, the conservative icon Antonin Scalia. She was a Notre Dame professor up until last year, when President Trump nominated her to the federal bench. At her confirmation hearing, the Catholic Barrett was sharply questioned by Senator Dianne Feinstein about her views on religion.
I think whatever a religion is, it has its own dogma. The law is totally different. When you read your speeches, the conclusion one draws is that the dogma lives loudly within you.
As I said to the committee, I would faithfully apply all Supreme Court precedent.
Social conservatives rallied behind Barrett after that exchange, as they are now, while the president considers his options.